my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. My Lord, I am so thankful. I know many of you are too. So far, this year has been terrific. Just the past 3 days alone for me have been the best 3 days I've ever had in my trading career. I've just been locked in. I have been streaming or on the social media. Last year, and I don't mean to be repetitive, but last year I was negative with crypto trading, not with stocks, but I lost money overall last year trading crypto. And I mean, in 3 days, I pretty much made all that back. But anyways, I'm happy for everyone. Everyone on Twitter's collecting their accolades, as they should. We want to celebrate our wins because the losses suck. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this ease of this price action continues as long as possible. But nothing lasts forever. But anyways, who cares? In the immediate short term, let's talk about what's coming up next, what's coming up today, maybe the next day. So far, if we go to the weekly on Bitcoin, man, these weekly momentum waves, again, they are not to be ignored. Not to be ignored. And I believe it was last week or the week 2 or 3 weeks ago on that Sunday going into Monday, it's like we didn't know if it was going to be the bottom forever, like Bitcoin's going to go all-time highs, but we knew it was going to be a extremely high probability that this was going to be a significant bottom. And what does that mean? Where does it go? Well, with the information that we have, and still leaning towards whatever reasons we have for a pullback, that we'd at least get to 100K. The target was 100K by January 11th. So far, we're a couple days off, but we are indeed coming up pretty good, and there is still room. If we go to both our spider lines, actually, the OGs and the 2.0s, this spider line is right at smack dab 100K. Smack dab at 100. If we go back to the 1.0s, 100K. Smack dab at 100K. So, and this 100K line, if we zoom in a little bit here, this 100K line I think it's going to be important. Yeah. 100K, and what do we say? Maybe the 115. But for now, we got a lot of touches on this one. A lot of touches in history on this one. So I think this 100K is going to be an important one. So we'll see what happens. But let's take a look at how everything is looking here. What's going on here? Okay, here. Okay. So a little cross action to Nakamoto on Bitcoin right here. Okay, so Bitcoin, we do have momentum curving a little bit here on the 6 hour, the 4 hour. And nothing really to see here. VWAP's coming up a little bit there. VWAP coming up a little bit here. We do have a little green dot right here. So this, the price has been moving up, so that's been good. I've been trading Ethereum. In fact, oh man. There's on there's one account that's like, you know, my big doozy account. I was trading on probably 6 different exchanges for the past 3 days. I was in trades that I forgot about on a couple of them. And but man, tonight I got in at 3308 and I went to take profits. We are here and I fat fingered the whole thing. So I'm sitting here waiting. Here's what I'm doing right now. I am hoping that Ethereum pulls back. I'm waiting for this momentum wave to come down. Hopefully it comes down. And to be honest, I'm just looking at the notchies. You know, previously we're pretty much banging in the notchies for weeks now. So I'm hoping it pulls back to, you know, 33, low 33, 15, 33, whatever it is. Here, let's do this. Okay, pretty much the same. Yep. So I'm hoping this puppy comes down. Even if let's even do this. Let's do this. Let's even go from the absolute bottom to the absolute top. 33.26 area. So yeah, I hope Ethereum comes down. I'm in a couple small accounts. I have a couple small accounts that are still in, but man, the one that really matters. It doesn't matter. It's been a great few days, but my teeth are out, and I'm sinking my teeth in. As much as I'd like to be streaming these trades, especially the big one, I'm human, and you people, my people, affect me. You know, I get this whiff of camaraderie. But we'll see, man. Boy, I tell you, part of me wants to long this top, part of me wants to just go back in and long the top, but it's like, you know, I know that we're here for an eternity. Well, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my God, look at this. Look at the 30-minute money flow coming up. Took a nice dip. This is beautiful. This was beautiful. Beautiful. I think we're coming right for these spider lines. Probably today or tomorrow. 3,500 for Ethereum and 100K for Bitcoin. Hopefully this thing pulls back, because that was a mistake. Man, it's looking good. Yeah. Since money flow's coming up, look at these RSIs. Super tight. Super tight. There's no guarantees this thing's pulling back, man. This thing could keep going. Shoot. Son of a gun. Yeah, that was a big mistake. That was a big mistake. Oh, well. So I'm basically waiting. Let me see here. How did I do this here? Time frame was it? Beautiful trigger wave right here. By the way, the 12-hour trigger wave on Bitcoin. Man, that thing was killer. Killer. You got to pay attention to these, man. Got to pay attention to these. And, you know, this wave hasn't pinched. The gates are open. 1 hour left in this time frame. Yep. 4 hour. We got 1 hour left. This thing's curving up. Yep. It's killing me not to long that top. I might do a little bit. Now, we had a good little option. I put out a little option signal in the Discord. We got in at XLE. Well, the contract price is, let me pull up what the contract price was. Actually, let me pull up the Discord. I don't have Discord open. Okay, so in the Discord, 2 days ago, I believe, or yesterday, I don't know, my days have been blurred. We fired off XLE December 18th, 2026 contract, $65 calls for 45 cents per contract, 45 cents a piece. And now those contracts are worth 70 cents. Okay, here, hang on. What date was this? Okay, on January 13th. What day is it today? 15th? Okay, so 2 days ago. So literally in 2 days, we are up 37.32% in 2 days. With options. And these moves hold, you know what I'm saying? They're there. Once it moves, it's there for the whole day. It's not, oh, I go to the bathroom in 2 minutes, come back, the whole move's retraced, now I'm negative. So I am going more and more into options. I'm up almost 900% over the past year. Another one, when we were on the Gareth Soloway stream, CoreWeave made a beautiful little diamond pattern, money flow coming up. Let me look at the CoreWeave contract. This was okay. This was oh wait, no, that's not the right one. Let me see here. No, that's not it. Oh, did I sell them out? Did I sell them already? Did I sell these already? Okay, is this it? Okay, on January 2nd, we entered $100 CoreWeave calls expiring on March 20th. They were $7.47 a piece. They are now worth $10.55 for a gain of 43%. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? 43% gain. So, man. Anyways. So, yeah, 100K's in the crosshairs. Sure. Damn, look at this hourly on Bitcoin. My God, look at the hourly that beautiful trigger wave. Look at these absolute beautiful trigger waves, okay? Even the trigger waves that are above the zero line, you know, the change of direction on the momentum waves, when it's a nice big momentum wave, man, you got to pay attention to these hourlies. Look at this one. What happened in the last, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened on the last 4? Okay, boom, boom, 3%. What is this, Bitcoin? This is the hourly, boom, boom. 5, almost 6%. This one, boom, boom, 2%. This one, boom, 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 2%. Now we zoom into the 30-minute. Potential little clipping on the momentum wave here. The market's not open yet. We got, 3 or 4 hours till the market's open. But this thing looks like it could be gearing up for another run today. Yeah, she could be gearing up for another run today here. I am hoping we get a pullback because I want to get back in. I want to get back in large. I believe silver and gold are having a pullback day. They have been pumping like heck, so these will pull back a little bit today. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nice tight yellow trigger wave here. Yellow trigger wave. Solana, that's right. Solana. Okay. Solana has a lot of potential. I mean, look at this. A lot of potential here for Solana. A lot of potential here for Solana. It's pretty much, it looks like it's darn near exact pattern as it was back in February, March of last year. If we take where we're at on the money flow right here, it'd be like right here or right here. What was that? 145. Went up to 183. What? Man, even that would be a 30% gain. And if it comes back up, damn. Yeah. Good potential here. Great potential here for Solana. Beautiful trigger wave also on Solana on that hourly. That also was beautiful. What happened here? Last time at this level, like even if you're getting in quote unquote late, there's still room. Yeah, man. I mean, this is textbook stuff right here. Textbook stuff. Boom. I like it. I like it a lot. I would like it even more if Ethereum would pull back and, you know, come down somewhere down here. Also, there is a coupon code for Market Cipher for 40% off for the first 40 orders. That coupon code is GOLD. GOLD. That's it. GOLD. GOLD. Alrighty, folks. Maybe you'll see me soon. Maybe you won't. But I'm locked in. You know, I was talking to a buddy of mine, and we were talking about like the algorithm and, you know, everyone complaining, you know, about their views are down and stuff. And, you know, he goes, you know, 7-8 years ago, man, you know, you and like 2 Koreans were the only ones that were, you know, doing this trading live stuff. And, man, now it's like everyone's doing it, which is cool. There's not everyone, but there's a lot of people doing it, which is good. Damn, there was a point I was going to make. Oh, well, forget it. Anyways, everybody's kicking ass. Make sure you are taking the money you make and putting a lot of it away. Make sure you're putting money away. Because it's nice right now. And hopefully it lasts a long time. Hopefully it does. What about Google? Google just won't stop. It just won't stop. Yeah, man. I mean, just these momentum waves. These momentum waves, man. I'm telling you. Alrighty, folks. God bless.